Okay, so in place mass. So for in place mass, I just activate in place mass. So mass 1, and I can draw the mass by using drawing tools or by selecting pick lines. Of course, I need to select the level. It's important. So from here, I select projection. And so if I have snapping option, I can use snapping and snap it to the lines like this one. And of course, the lines is not visible, so I should go here, type the lines, and check it out if my lines are active or not. So it looks like it's active. So maybe I'm not sure. They should be active. Page. Yeah, so the lines are active. I'm not sure. Some additional comment was provided. So now I will use string tool and nicely trim the shape. And if I select it and isolate element, I see and trim like now I created and for this one I create solid, and the program creates a nice solid, and I can extrude it and create needed shape. I can modify dimensions on the sides, and my K will be to 700. So it will be my representation. And of course, I select all the object, and I can change and choose material from the zones. So which technique to use on which time? So Autodesk don't like place objects in place objects. So it's better to use family objects, not objects in place. But if it's specific shape and you cannot make it using different techniques, so you should use in place modeling tools. Okay. Okay, so it seems all objects are turned on, but I don't see my room.